Hello. I am here to tell you about how to improve the condition of your home with Trane Central Air Conditioning. Summer is the most loved season, and also the most hated. The Trane company prides itself by being the best brand in the market, as they have a history of quality service that looms over all the possible candidates and rivals in the market. Trane Central Air Per Carat is just one of the many products of the Trane company that spells quality up to the last letter. Because of this, it is the best choice when it comes to premium residential air conditioning systems. In an effort to provide outstanding and unmatched service, they have adapted the scheme of combining air comfort with air purity. If you are a parent who is concerned with the welfare of your family, then it is best to go for Trane Central Air Conditioning.